Sunday morning, and I just finished quickly tidying up the shop. I made a big mess yesterday. I've been working on a subwoofer project, and yesterday was the cutting out of the speaker hole into the MDF front panel, and so dust went everywhere. Man, I hate that stuff. But you know what? It's probably one of the better materials for painting, and that's what I'm doing right now. I've got it brought outdoors, out back, and I'm painting the front. The sides and the top and the back and the bottom are all OSB, and my original intent was to build the whole thing from OSB, even the front panel. Then I got to thinking about it. I said, no, better to have some contrast there, so I decided to switch out the front with MDF and paint it black. After that, I think I'm going to do that pyramid video that I've been putting off, because I really need to take a couple weeks or maybe 3 weeks away from making videos and projects to do some work around the house here that I've been putting off for the past 2 years. And I don't know if any video will come from that, but we'll see. It's mostly boring stuff, so probably not. Anyway, making this video, I got a comment not too long ago from someone saying I should start another channel. I don't know, he's probably joking. I should start another channel to do political commentary. And I didn't answer that comment because I figured, I'll get myself in a little bit more trouble with people and make a video about it. I already said in my I don't vote video that I don't have any respect for the political system at all. And in my opinion, the lowest official occupation that you could strive for is politician. I mean, it's the absolute lowest of the low. Okay, nobody's lower. I mean, it's crazy when you think about it, the way people, okay, it's one thing to tolerate the circus that is politics, but it's another thing altogether to revere it. And that's what most people do. They look up to politicians, and I just shake my head at that. I mean, it's crazy to look up to politicians. I mean, there's a very well-known saying, and it's not the saying at this point, it's taken as fact for a lot of people, that money is the root of all evil. When nothing could be further from the truth. What money is, and a lot of people don't understand this either, is that money is the portable, the tradable representation of production. I mean, you do work and you get paid, and that's money. All right? It used to be you would do work for someone and they would trade you whatever they were good at. So they would come, say you were going to build a fence for them, okay, to keep in their cattle, and then they would trade you some beef for it. That was the barter system. That got replaced by money, because money is kind of a universal thing. So how, in your wildest dreams, could that be regarded as being evil? That doesn't make any sense if you actually think about it. What is evil is the pursuit of power to gain control over other people. And that would be politicians by and large. People look up to politicians, and in some cases, they even deify them. I mean, they're almost godlike in their status with some people. And it's ludicrous. And in the same breath, they'll turn around and vilify hardworking businessmen because all they want to do is make money. And you know that money's evil. Yeah, I mean, just put your brain in gear and actually think about it. Here's a good exercise. Make a list. Pick out your favorite politician in all of history and make a list of the good things that he did. And after you have that list made, actually research those good things that he did to verify that they were actually good things, because in most cases, they weren't. And while you're at it, you can make a list of all the evil businessmen and all the things that they did bad, and also take the time to research that and see if it was actually bad. And while we're making lists, we might as well add another one. Go over all the atrocities, genocides, war that have happened over, say, the past 300 years, and trace the root of it. And you'll see where that goes. I mean, businesses don't start wars, and typically businessmen don't kill off their customers.